today's problem from two-dimensional probability distribution, and this problem from previous year question paper, and the problem is the bivariate random variable xy jointly follow the probability density function which is given by fxy. This is equal to kx square into 8 minus y, where the range of y is given by x less y less equal to 2x, and the range of x is 0 to 2 and 0 elsewhere. And our first problem is to find the value of k. Okay, and then the second one is the marginal PDF of x and y, and the third one is the conditional PDF if x given y and if y given x, that is the conditional PDF of x given y, also the conditional PDF of y given x. These are the symbol. Now to find the value of the constant k, okay, we use the property of two-dimensional PDF. This is given by minus infinity to infinity, also minus infinity to infinity. This is x, this is y, and this is f xy dx dy. This is equal to 1. We know that. Okay. So from the given condition or given range, we write here x equal to 0 to 2 because this is the constant range, and we write here y, this is equal to x to 2x, x to 2x, and we put the value, this is k, we write outside of integration x square 8 minus y dy dx. This is 1. Okay, now this is k into integration 0 to 2. We first integrate it with respect to y and getting the integration as 8y minus y square by 2, and the range is x to 2x, and this is dx. This is equal to 1. Okay, now by putting range we get this is 0 to 2 and x square into, if we put y equal to 2x, then we get this is 16x minus 8x. So we get 8x minus, from here this is 4x square by 2 and this is x square by 2. So we get 3x square by 2 dx. This is 1. Okay, and k into, if we integrate this, we get the result as 8x to the power 4 by 4 minus, this is 3 by 2 into x to the power 5 by 5, and the ranges are 0 to 2. This is equal to 1. Okay, and we get the result. We write here, this is k into, we get 8 into 2 to the power 4, 8 into 2 to the power 4 by 4 minus 3 by 2 into 2 to the power 5 by 5, 2 to the power 5 by 5. This is equal to 1, and get the result. This is k into, we take common 2 to the power 5, 2 to the power 5, okay, and getting 4 by 4 minus, this is 3 by 10. This is equal to 1. Okay, so k into, this is 10 minus 3 by, yes, 10 minus 3 by 10. This is equal to 1 by 32 because 2 to the power 5 means 32, and this gives k into, k equal to 10 by 32 into, this is 7. So we get k, this is equal to 5 by, this is 16 into 7, and which gives 16 into 7, which gives 5 by 112. This is the value of k, because 7 into 6, 7 into 7, yes, this is correct. So we get the first answer, which is k equal to 5 by 112. Okay, so we write here the value of k, which is given by 5 by 112, and this is the complete PDF. Now our second target is to find the marginal PDF of x and y. Okay, and before calculating the marginal PDF, we first try to draw a rough sketch of the given range. Okay, because if we integrate with respect to x or integrate with respect to y, the ranges are very important. Okay, and now let this is x-axis and this is y-axis. Here it is given that x equal to 0 to 2. So this is y-axis, means x equal to 0, and let it be x equal to 2. Right? This is x-axis and this is x equal to 2. And now we draw the ranges of y. The first range is x equal to y. So this is like that. Okay, and the second is y equal to 2x. So y equal to 2x means this, and we write here y equal to x and y equal to 2x. Okay, and we extend the y-axis and we get our region as this. This is our required region. We have to integrate into this region, and clearly this point is given by x equal to 2. So this is y equal to 2. So this point is given by name 2, 2, and this point is given by b, and if x equal to 2, then y equal to 4. Okay, this is the origin. This is 0, 0. Now we first calculate the marginal PDF of x, and when we calculate the marginal PDF of x, that is f x x, this is the symbol of marginal PDF, and clearly this is given by y equal to y equal to minus infinity to infinity. This is f xy, this is dy. Okay, and the definition of marginal PDF of y is given by f y. This is x equal to minus infinity to infinity f xy dx. When we integrate with respect to y, then we get fxx, and if we integrate with respect to x, then we get fyy. Now when we integrate with respect to y, then we put here the range is y range is x to 2x. This is y equal to x to 2x, because this range is given here. And fxy, this means we get 5 by 112 into x square into 8 minus y, this is dy. And we must write here the range of x, this is 0 less equal to x less equal to 2. Okay, and this is fxx. Now integrating, we get, this is given by 5 by 112 into x square, and this is 8y minus y square by 2, and the range is x to 2x, and the value of x is 0 less equal to x less equal to 2. So we get 5x square by 112 into, from here if we put the range 2x and x, then we get, this is 8x minus, this is given by 3x square by 2, and if we take common x from here, we get 5 into x cube by 112 into 8 minus 3x by 2, and this is given by 5x cube by, this is 2 to 4 into 16 minus 3x. This is given by fxx, and the range of x or the spectrum of x is, we write here x less equal to 2. Okay, so we get fxx, that is the marginal PDF of x. Now when we try to find the marginal PDF of y, it is clear from the figure that y is varied from 0 to 4. Okay, because here y is 0 and here y is 2. Sorry, y is 4, because this is 0, 2, 4. Now in y equal to 0 to 2, y equal to 0 to 2, from 0 to 2, here the value of x start from this line and end in this line, because if we draw here a line which divide two part of y equal to 0 to 2 and y equal to 2 to 4. Okay, if we draw another line here, this is y equal to 2 and this is y equal to 4. Okay, now if we consider here, when y equal to 0 to 2, consider here a strip along x-axis like this strip, and this type of strip starting from this line and ending in this line. So the range of x is given by x equal to y by 2 and here x equal to y. Okay, so here if we find or write fyy, then we get x equal to y by 2 to y. This is 5 by 112 x square into 8 minus y when 0 less equal to y less than 2. Okay, 0 less equal to y less than 2 here, and we write the integration, another integration. If we consider another strip parallel to x-axis or along x-axis, and the strip is like this, and here this strip starting from the line y equal to 2x, that is here the range of x, this is also y by 2, and the end range is on that line. So this line is given by x equal to 2. So this is x equal to 2. So here we write x equal to y by 2 to 2. This is also 5 by 112 x square into 8 minus y when 2 less equal to y less equal to 4. Okay, and now by integrating these two terms, we write here fyy. This is given by 5 by, this is dx and also this is dx. So we get from here 5 by 112 into 8 minus y, and this is x cube by 3, and the ranges are y by 2 to y, and we write the range here 0 less equal to y less than 2, and another is given by 5 by 112 into 8 minus y into, here also the integration is x cube by 3, and the ranges are y by 2 to 2, and the range is given by 2 less equal to y less equal to 4. Okay, now we putting the range of range of x in here and here, we get or we write directly to marginal PDF. We already find out the marginal PDF of x, and by putting the range here we get the marginal PDF of y. We directly write here marginal PDF of x and y also. Okay. So our final target is find the conditional PDF of x given y. Okay, now the definition of conditional PDF of x given y, that is we write here, this is f x given y, x given y, which is given by fxy by fyy. Now our marginal PDF of y is in 2 range. So we write here the conditional PDF in 2 range also, and in the first range if we take 0 less equal to y less than 2, okay, then fxx means this by fyy means this. So we write the result directly by cancelling 8 minus y and 8 minus y, we get 5 by 112 into 2688 by 35, and another term is x square by y cube. Now we must have to write the range of x here, and clearly in between 0 to, that is from 0 to 2, the range of x is starting from y by 2 and ending in y. Okay, so we write the range of x here, this is y by 2 less or less equal to, maybe write less than equal to x, less equal to y. Okay, and cancelling these two terms, this is 24 and this is 7. So we get the marginal PDF of x given y in between this range as 24 x cube by 7 y cube. Okay, now if we take in this range, this is 2 less equal to y less than or less equal to 4. In this range, if we write fxy by fyy in this definition, then we get 5 by 1 1 2 and 8 minus y cancel out, so we get the term x square by lower term is 64 minus y cube. Okay, and clearly here the term is 2688 by 35. So cancel out this and this, we get 24, and here this is 7, and another range of x here in between 2 to 4. In between 2 to 4 we get the range of x is x equal to y by 2 to x equal to 2. So we write the range y by 2 less equal to x less equal to 2. Okay, so we write in phrase 24 x square by 7 into 64 minus y cube. Okay, and so this is in 0 to 2 and this is in 2 to 4. Now another conditional PDF which is given by if y given x which is f xy by fxx. Okay, and here we put fxy means this and fxx is this. So by cancel out this and this, we get the result as 2 into 8 minus y by, this is 16 minus 3x into another x is here because here x is cube present. Okay, and the ranges is given by, the range of x is given by 0 less equal to x less equal to 2, and the range of y here, this is x less equal to y, less than y less than 2x, it is given. Okay, so this is the another conditional PDF. Very important type of problem and lengthy problem also. Thank you for watching.